In today's video, I'm going to teach you why your Zoom avatars might not work and what you can do about it. We're diving into some of the common issues you may encounter and providing you with solutions to get your avatars up and running smoothly. First, let's talk about the importance of keeping your Zoom application up to date. One of the reasons your avatars might not be working is that they only function on newer versions of Zoom. Software updates often include enhancements and bug fixes that are crucial for new features to operate correctly. To update Zoom, open the application on your computer. Once open, locate your profile picture, usually found in the top right corner of the Zoom window, and give it a click. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Check for Updates. If there's a new version of Zoom available, follow the prompts to download and install it. Keeping your Zoom updated can resolve a lot of potential issues and also allows you to enjoy the latest features and improvements Zoom has to offer. Now, let's move on to another potential roadblock, your device's capabilities. Zoom avatars require a certain level of processing power to run effectively. If you're using an older PC or laptop, there might be challenges in supporting this feature. Older machines often lack the enhanced processing power or advanced graphic capabilities necessary for running newer, more resource-intensive features like Zoom avatars. If this is the case, it may be worth trying Zoom on a newer device if you have access to one. This could be a newer laptop, desktop, or any modern device that you can install Zoom on. Newer devices tend to come equipped with the latest hardware, which can more easily handle the demands of newer Zoom features, including avatars. We understand that not everyone has immediate access to a newer device, and in such cases, you might opt for other functionalities available within Zoom that do not require high processing power. Remember, if none of these solutions work, it could be worth reaching out to Zoom's support for more tailored assistance, applicable to your specific situation. Keeping your technology current, whether it's through updates or hardware, ensures that you can take full advantage of all the features available. Hopefully, these insights have given you a clearer understanding of why Zoom avatars might not be working on your setup and how to go about resolving the issue. Remember, updating your software and checking your device's compatibility are your first lines of action. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to sharing those creative avatars in your virtual meetings. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been helpful.